In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archives in Trello for the year 2025. Trello is a versatile tool that many of us use to keep our work and personal projects organized, but you might find yourself wondering how to revive old archived cards and lists that have been tucked away. Well, worry no more, let's walk through the process step by step to retrieve those items with ease. First, you need to hop onto your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once there, take a look in the upper right corner and click on the Login button. This will bring you to the login screen where you can access your Trello account. Now, whether you prefer logging in using your email or linking through your Google account, pick the method that best works for you. Both options are quick and secure. With access to your account, it's time to step into your workspace. Click on Boards to display a selection of all your Trello boards. These are essentially your project headquarters or hubs, where tasks, lists, and cards live. If you have multiple workspaces, ensure you navigate to your workspaces to find the specific board you're interested in. Once you've identified the board you want to work with, click on it. This action will open up the board where you'll conduct your search. Now, look around the top right corner of the board and click on the three dots. This is your menu. From here you'll see an option labelled Archived Items. Clicking this will unveil those previously hidden gems you've archived. Switching between archived lists and cards is simple. Right after clicking into archived items, you have the option to switch views. If you want to view archived lists, simply click Switch to Lists. Likewise, if cards are what you are looking for, click on Switch to Cards. This feature makes navigation efficient, allowing you to find precisely what you're searching for without any fuss. If you find an item that needs bringing back into your board, showing it off once again, all it takes is a click on Send to Board. This will return your archived card or list back to its rightful place in your active board. You can repeat this as many times as needed, switching between lists and cards as you go along. Once you have everything back in place, or perhaps tucked neatly away in a more refined order, don't forget to close the menu. It's always good to keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free, and there you have it, a simple way to regain access to all your archived materials in Trello. So next time you need to revisit a past project, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy organising.